Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Whack hoes hate under my pictures on the gram. Bitch, you better hope I never run across your man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing something new. I'm gonna be doing the Munchpak reveal and taste test. So I did sneak and take a look at some of this stuff, but not all of it. I only got I think I got like 5 items. I didn't want to get too much because I'm just like testing it out right now just to see how things would go. So let's get into it. This is a box. Oh, y'all can see. Okay, this is the box it came in. It's a small box. So let's go. Oh shit. Alright, so this is a little pamphlet that it comes with. I'm gonna read off whatever items I got in here. I'm just gonna read off where they're from and whatever descriptions they got in there before I taste them and tell you guys what I really think. Okay? Alright, so the first one, I'm gonna take out this one. So let me put it a little closer for you. Okay, boom. This is how the wrapper looks. And it's just a premium on it, and then the rest is in like a different language that I don't know. So go to the sample. And okay, so this one is a premium Bumbo mozzarella and camembert. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I'm most definitely not. So you know, whatever. It says this savory and crunchy corn stick is packed with delicious cheesy flavors like mozzarella and camembert. That's a perfect anytime treat, and it's from Japan. So I don't know how I feel about the mozzarella, but we gonna see. Oh, it's like a little, it's kind of like some crunchy thing. I definitely don't, I'm sorry, I have to smell myself before I eat it. Like, I don't know. If I had never ate it before, I gotta smell it. It smells really, really cheesy. It kind of tastes like a cheese doodle, like a mozzarella cheese doodle. Okay. Alright, I'll give this a 7. It's actually really good. Like I said, I like cheese doodles. So it's really, really good. Whatever. So that's one. This next one, it says Taurus Selecta, a black turtle truffle negro, whatever that is. And this is how the bag looks. Oh, my bad. Let me read for the pamphlet real fast. Okay. Yeah, Taurus black truffle chips. These crunchy, rich, salty, sweet, and savory chips from Taurus are like nothing you've had. They have just the right amount of truffle flavor and leave a perfect aftertaste. And it's from Spain. Let's see. Damn shit. I don't really know how I feel about the truffle, I guess, but they're chips, so I don't. And I don't like those. I give those like a 4. I I don't know, like excuse me, like when I was licking it, that taste alone had me scared to like eat it. No. Okay, so that one's a thumbs down. That's a no. I'm gonna give that a 4 and leave that there. So I'm going to do this next one. It's a cookies and cream wafer bites, no high fructose corn syrup, and this is how the bag looks. Okay, now for this one, this says it Dulcetto cookies and cream wafer bites with expertly crafted crisp and creamy wafer cookies and premium ingredients to create a indulgent and sweet tooth satisfying snack. And this is from Italy, so it sounds good. I love cookies and cream. Like Hershey's cookies and cream is one of my favorite chocolates. I don't really like the dark chocolates like that, but when I do want to cheat, I go for the Hershey's cookies and cream. Okay, so oh, they like little, yeah, they're small. They smell good. Oh, alright. Okay, Italy. I'm gonna have to save these because I'm gonna eat these when the video over. I give those a 10. Damn, I'm so fat. I'm gonna look up online where I could order these from because they taste really, really good. I wish the bag was bigger. Like, I understand these are like little samples and stuff, but come on, y'all know. Now y'all know. Alright, so we're gonna go with this fruit apple Johannesbeer, whatever. I think it looks like a candy thingy, or like it feels like a little bar. This is how it looks. And okay, so this one is a fruit smoothie, strawberry, raspberry, apple, and currant or coconut and passion fruit. It's a it says Frit is back with a new flavor, with all new flavors blended together in a sweet smoothie style chew. These flavors come together for a balanced treat with tart, sweet, and exotic notes in every bite. And this snack is from Germany. So, I don't know. I don't really like too much like sweet stuff. So, hopefully it tastes good. And they have like different flavors, so I don't know how I know like what. I'm gonna take a bite of each flavor just so y'all get like a gist of it. They're like little bars. It's so many, but it doesn't have like I don't know what is what. What if I like eating the same one? Oh wait, is that candy? Oh, it's candy. I'm so slow. I thought these were like little, you know, like little granola-ish bars. Freaking candy. It's actually really good. And I think this is the, it tastes like blueberry. You know what it reminds me of? It's similar to like something like Annihilator. I think that's what it's similar to, but not as hard. Now y'all know Annihilators is hard as hell, but these is very soft, very chewable, and it's actually really good. So I don't have to taste all of them. I thought they was bars. So I give these a 10 also. So far we got 2 10s, 1 4, and I think what I gave that first one like a 7. All right, so this is the last thing that I'm going to taste. Now, this says Nutella be ready. Now, I thought, like, I've been heard about Nutella. I've never tasted Nutella. I don't, like, I never really wanted to. Like I said, I'm not really a chocolate person, but I guess I'll do it for the video. And this Nutella is from, hold on, I don't see it in the book. Oh, I'm so slow, y'all. It was the second picture on the first page. This is why it's good to pay attention, like, sad. So it says Nutella be ready. These crisp and crunchy wafers filled with Nutella cream are the perfect way to get your Nutella fix on the go. So you better be ready for this taste experience. And this one is from Poland. That was kind of cute how they say you better be ready, because it's like Nutella be ready. You go Poland right now. And I never knew like Nutella was from Poland. Not that I like ever looked up or whatever. Oh, and this is how the packaging looks. And we're open. Oh, okay. So it actually comes with 2 in there. If I don't like it, I can give it to my sister or my nephews, whoever wants it. We're just gonna open this little pack right here. It doesn't smell bad. Oh, I broke it. Well, since I already broke it, it's like not bad, but it's too much chocolate. Way too much chocolate. I'm not feeling it. Oh no. Alright, so I would rate that one like a 3. Not a big fan. My sister will probably like it. So, whoa, no. My 2 favorites are the candy and the cookies and cream wafer bites. I'm about to eat this right now, and I'm gonna see y'all later. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if this is something that y'all would like me to continue doing. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. Leave a comment. I definitely try my best to reply back to everyone, so make sure you leave a comment. Don't be shy. I'm very nice, and I would love to get to know everybody and what you guys doing during this damn quarantine, because right now all I've been doing is my hair, working, making videos, and just the same old thing. But thank you guys so much again, and I really appreciate everybody. See you later.